It's Friday, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Home services outranks the rest of the top categories list once again. This is their 10th consecutive week maintaining the number one spot. Legal remains in the second position, and insurance falls away from the top two positions to the third spot. Personal insurance holds strong in the fourth spot over financial services, which claimed the fifth position. Now it's time for our top offers. This week was another battle for our top spot on our top offers list, and this week, LeadSmart outranked Netfly for the number one spot. Aragon Advertising remains in the third position. Addiction Marketing Specialist continues to hold the fourth spot. Netfly follows closely behind in the fifth position with its motor vehicle accident campaign. Campaigns involving motor vehicle accidents and addiction treatment dominated the top offers list this week. This is a vertical that every paper caller should be looking into. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing claims the number one spot again this week on the top networks list. LeadSmart holds the second position, while Market Call overtakes Aragon Advertising for the third spot. Digital Market Media jumps up onto the top networks list to claim the fifth position. This week, 4 out of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to Mathijs Mesters, Business Development Manager here at Ringba. Why is it so beneficial for Warm Transfer Center publishers to utilize call tracking to run their pay-per-call business?
Hi, Jordan. Happy Friday, and great question. So I've talked to a ton of transfer centers and work with a lot of them as well. And the number one thing that I hear is definitely call control. So using a call tracking system like Ringba allows you to prioritize your buyers however you see fit and choose how you distribute your call volume among those buyers. And so this is a huge moneymaker for our transfer center clients, and one that I hear all the time is that call control. Another big thing and a critical piece of the puzzle is the data. So as a warm transfer center company, you're going to have data already that you can transfer in along with the phone calls into Ringba, and you can actually make data-based routing decisions with that data. And then also, if you wanted to pass that data along to your buyers, maybe they wanted to verify TCPA compliance, that's super easy. You'll be able to send them that trusted form or Jornaya data in real time along with the phone call. Another big thing that I always hear when moving from a dialer or call center system for outbound is going to be the reporting. That's just so much better in a call tracking system like Ringba versus that dialer system, especially when you want to do things like drill down into performance reports. Let's say you passed in agent name information, you can drill down to performance reports on the agent level and see how those individuals are doing. So, and that goes for drilling down into any type of report on the campaign level based on any type of data tag that you want. The attribution is definitely going to help you see what purchase data is also working for your business. The last thing I would say is partner management. So as these companies are scaling, they often have larger requirements and they bring on partners to fill in those volume gaps for their buyers. And just having a call tracking system where you can plug in those affiliates and manage everything all under one roof is definitely a benefit as well, and makes the day-to-day a lot easier. So all in all, between those 4 items, I think there's a lot of value that call tracking systems bring to the table for warm transfer centers, and they almost 100% of the time are going to see that it's a profit center for them and not a cost center for the business.
Thanks, Matthias. Now it's time for our paper call opportunities. Inbound Media Group is a digital marketing agency with core services including paper call, search, content creation, lead generation, social media marketing, and conversion optimization. They're looking for more buyers in insurance, home services, and legal. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for further details. Now it's time for our paper call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join their amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required, just a positive attitude, a desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first at all times. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel the world, and have the freedom to work from anywhere that they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry leading pay per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay per call, visit www.ringba.com.